everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Sea Change in Minneapolis, and this is a piece that they produced for client Metro Transit. This was designed by Leah Jans of Metro Transit, and paper is a 100-pound flow dull cover. This is a folded self-mailer that I think you're going to love. It's got dimension, it's got an interaction device, it's compact, and it was folded on a folder gluer, so it's done by machine, which is really cool. So here's the mailing panel, fold at the bottom, here's the cover, and this is all about different options for commuters. So when you open it up, it's got this nice little dimensional element here. It's got a bus and a little L format pop-up, you can see here by the side, but then it's also got an interaction device, which I love. So you've got dimension and interaction. So there's a little half circle here, and it gives you space to kind of get your finger in there and pull it open. And it's just a little flap that folds down, and it says rethink your daily commute. And so when you open it, it has 4 different options to make your commute better. So it's really nice as a focal point. It keeps the layout simple, and I love that you've got dimension and interaction device. So of course they gave me one to take apart for everybody, and I wanted you to see how this is all efficiently designed as one piece. So this is kind of, as we saw, how it works, right? You've got the pop-up. So think of it kind of like an open gatefold. If you watch Fold of the Week, you've got the gates in and then goes out in the other direction. So here's the panel that has the interaction device in it, and that's perfed right into the sheet. This is the bus, and there's actually a perfed fold right here, and that's because we're on a 100-pound cover, and so we're letting some air out, making it a little easier to fold and unfold. So that's just a really smart production detail. And then when this side opens, this folds down. You can see here we've got kind of a little mini panel here and a flap, and this little tab or flap is what glues to the back of the bus. So kind of neat how this works. It's all one smooth integrated piece. They did about 5,000 of these. They fold them on folder gluers. They said they can do from 1 to 1 million of these, no problem. So just smart and engaging. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative folded self-mailer with dimension and interaction device. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit Foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.